Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm an APQS dealer and educator, and I want to show you a border design with a really nice flow. I call it Ribbon Spades. In your head, divide the space in half so that you'll be filling the north side and the south side and kind of using the center as an anchor point. And I like to think of the letter V while I'm doing this. So I went into a curl and I really want to tuck that tail way in and exit towards the inside of my circle and cross over myself. So there's the top side, there's the north side. Now I want to do the south side. So it's a little bit offset. I'm going to tuck my tail way in, cross over. Now I'm going to head back out to the north side. Tuck my tail way in, cross over, south side. Time for the north side. South side. North side. By staggering like that and by stacking them, it really fills the space, and it's kind of fun to do too. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted. And thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about APQS long arm machines, contact your local dealer or visit your local APQS store or head over to apqs.com for more information.